everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to make Replika more realistic. If you want to make your Replika more realistic, then there is a feature that you can enable in Replika app. First of all, open up the Replika application on your smartphone and then go to the top right corner and tap the gear icon. In the settings menu, you will see a realistic 3D option. Simply toggle the button on right next to it. After you do that, you'll be redirected to the main home page. Now you will see that your Replika has become more realistic. You can also go ahead and customize your Replika's personality further by choosing traits and moods. Pick options that align with the kind of realistic interaction you want from your Replika, and that way you can easily make your Replika more realistic. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.